Legends here, and today we're going to be going over my fire alarm collection. Yes, these are new shelves. So, starting off here, we have the Spectral Alert Classic Ceiling Mount. I do have another one, I'll show you in a minute. Spectral Alert Classic, strobe only, sorry about this. And then Spectral Alert Classic Horn Strobe, Spectral Alert Advanced P2R, Spectral Alert Advanced HW. I mean, no, this is the HW. This one's the chime. I forget what it is, but it's like CHW. I'm not sure. SW. There's the HW. Wheelock AS ceiling mount. The MT. CH70 ET speaker strobe. RSS only for NS's, the MIZ with the strobe, and my two EH SDI ones. Gentex Commander 3, Gentex GXS strobe, Simplex, what is it? 4901, 9805, 9838, I forget what strobe plate model number this is. The Simplex Truler, like remote strobe, but it doesn't work with my conventional panel because, anyway, system sensor mass, obviously it's not all my pulsations, MS2, BG12, PG6, and my PG12S. System sensor bell, the MS2 panel, my BG8, I have another one, the Wheelock LED exterior ceiling mount, Wheelock MIZ, the horizontal strobe plate, I mean vertical, I keep saying horizontal, Simplex 4H5120, Edwards Genesis, Edwards smoke detector, BG12, the regular version, and an 80, my RA1000Z with the plate, an ARA10, a 270 SPO, and the stopper, Edwards Integrity, system sensor i3, Edwards remote strobe, MS2, 2400 smoke detector, and it's SXL-EX. Siemens MSI pole, the Faraday chevron, Simplex mini horn, system sensor mini horn, and my other Spectral Alert Classic ceiling mount. Firelight MS10G, RA1000Z strobe heat detector. There's my other BG. My SDI push station. This one doesn't have on it. My Icon Della Spectral Alert Advanced. P2RH with the back box. My full station. The 2099 9761. My Tematron manual release switch. And my other suppression or whatever I want to use it for. Edwards Siga, Edwards Genesis, Novafire RP panel, Silent Night SK2224, Simplex test station, Wheelock 7002T heat detector. That's basically it for my fire alarm collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this.